I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by hardening DNS and the connection. Enable DNS over HTTPS or DNS over TLS in your browser so queries aren't sent in plain text to the router. Next, open a vetted VPN app and connect to a nearby server. This encrypts your traffic and hides visited domains from the Wi-Fi owner. Make sure the browser shows HTTPS with the lock icon for sensitive sites. Once done, confirm the VPN status, and that DoH is active so DNS leaks are minimized. Once your VPN and DoH are running, add Tor for stronger anonymity when needed. Tor routes traffic through multiple relays to conceal destinations. Make sure to disable WebRTC in browser settings or use an extension, because WebRTC can expose your real IP despite a VPN. Run a DNS/IP leak test and watch for unexpected addresses. If you see your local IP, stop and reconfigure. Also audit extensions. Remove anything that requests broad permissions that could reveal. Finish by clearing local history and using incognito to avoid stored pages, but remember incognito only affects your device, not router logs. If you still observe DNS/IP leaks, change the VPN protocol, WireGuard, OpenVPN, or switch providers. Poor apps can leak. As a troubleshooting tip, try a mobile data hotspot to confirm whether the Wi-Fi owner sees activity. If the hotspot hides it, the issue is the router or VPN. Make sure to keep software updated to prevent known leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.